Want to know how much your car or van could be worth in just 30 seconds? Enter your postcode and registration number into Scrap Car Comparison's free online quote tool. We work with an extensive network of scrap and salvage buyers across the UK, so you can browse and compare the most competitive quotes to find the price that you deserve. All our quotes are guaranteed and will quote any vehicle in any condition, plus collect it free of charge. Once you've picked your quote, you can accept it online or speak to one of our skilled sales advisors. They'll talk you through the simple process so you know what to expect. The collection of your vehicle will be done on a mutually convenient date for both you and your chosen buyer. On the day of collection, your buyer will give you a hand with the necessary paperwork, and to put you at ease, we do all the hard work so you don't have to. Your vehicle will be loaded onto the recovery truck and taken away, and you'll receive quick payment, usually via bank transfer. There are no hidden costs along the way. The price you're quoted is the price you'll receive.